Hi, I'm Gary, and I just got here. Sorry, we're not live today. There's something going on with YouTube. It's not letting it go live, so we're recording a video from Flite Fest 2019. We're here in Malvern, Ohio, and I'm getting ready to fly. We had a really bad storm come through here. In fact, I flew earlier when it was raining, but I got the Orange Tail FT Scout with me, and we're gonna get a quick flight, and I'm gonna get this posted to YouTube so you guys can watch us. So let's get some flying done. So we're flying down here away from everybody because I don't want my signal messed with too much. I'm not sure if I'm on DSMX, and when you're on DSM2 here, it's big trouble. The landing's going to be a little rough because, you know, we just fly in a field here, and they have some of that landscaping material down here to land on, but it is nothing but water under that, so it's not going to be a smooth landing anyways. And so all right, guys, we're going to bring it around for a landing. Well, a little bit of water right there, guys. So if you guys like the video, make sure you give me a thumb. Please subscribe. Give me ring the bell for the notifications and all that kind of stuff, because I'm going to get this cleaned up and posted, and I'm going to see if I can't figure out why it's not going live, and hopefully we'll be live tomorrow. As always, I'm Gary, and I just got here.
It's not going live, is it?